just test that thing and see if it actually works. But like, it's so flipping clean, yo.
I'm a marionette.
Yo, what's up?
What's bus are you in, the blue one or the red one?
The one that you put.
You must be my friend.
Send my friend request, Mickey.
A friend request?
Go to my name and press it. Never friends.
What's your name?
Cool kid.
Okay. Cool. I found you.
Alright, let's see. No, you didn't fund me.
I lost your name.
You lost my name?
I'll find you when I land.
Okay. I got a slurp for you. I got a slurp.
Oh wow, oh, this is a new grenade. Alright, this is that new grenade. Let's see how this works. Alright, first.
My strategy is to got my whole strategy. I got chiller grenades for you.
Yeah, that's nice. I'm sure there's still is.
Everything I find is yours.
Hey?
Yeah, you should have grenade them, nice. Should have grenade them. Tough.
The name Smexy is what I am.
It's Mexi. Who's throwing snowballs at me?
Where are you at?
Just say cool kid and throw punk. It says the cool kid slide a puck 6 meters.
Where are you at?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm in Tilted.
Oh, so we got half the map now that's not frozen.
I'm going to tilt it.
If anybody wants to be carry, just come to me. 'Cause I'm a pro.
Are you in the airplane?
No,
Oh, I hear an airplane.
it's not me though. That might be an enemy or your team.
I'm in Shifty Shaft.
50 shaft. So we're close to each other. We're close.
Yeah. I see your name.
I know. I found an SMG for you.
Oh.
I found a scar from my first game, first time.
Oh boy.
So I trade for the
I mean, look at this thing, man. It's clean. Look at it. That's the public. Alright, let's see. You know what? Let's go solos. Alright, we try. Let's go solos. Why not, eh? Why not? Yeah, they don't know me when they see me coming through. I just forgot to go to top and then they see me pop it up and hey. Whoa. I just got a chug, then I pop it, then I drink it, then I see me got 2 minutes, then I came around and then you see me turn around, I got that Uzi, then I get the that P90 spray. Hey, why am I getting that light though? Gonna steal it. Yeah, alright, good. Hey, so I got a heavy sniper in the Viper, see me rolling through indeed, nigga sniper, wipe them off, tell them that I'm the wiper, going a cappella with no beat, I'm the Viper, hey, you be typical, that's no fight, so see me going through nigga like I'm a Viper, hey. Nice. Alright, I'll only be on for like 4 more minutes, like I'm gonna just end this solo game really quick. I just wanted to see if this will work. Which it did, so. No, tumbos. Yeah, okay. Ready? Ready up? Oh, that's Anne-Marie, right? Alright, I'm so forward. Yeah, man. Yo, walk one touch it. One touch it, welcome to the stream, you know. GG, yo. I could find my bullets and literally don't go nowhere. My bullet don't go nowhere at all. Alright. So Wagwan, yo, welcome to the stream, yo. Yo, if anybody want to join up, you know. Try another solo first and then we'll go again. Yo, again, if anybody want to join up, you know, just feel free to join up, you know, cause like this is what we do every day when we don't play. See me coming through, roll through with an AK, see me going with the style, and see me going to balls. Everybody know that we ace with this wall. So you know we got them bars. That's my phone telling me that it's 4:30. Alright. show. I not thank the bus driver. But that's why I make it show. So, you know, so when I thank the bus driver, you get good loot too. Yo, what go on there, Marikai? Where the fun? Yeah, kick back on the easy with the stream, you know? Grab it. Look where this man have gone in such a short time. Sorry. Streaming, sorry. I just couldn't have you go and like murder me while I'm on stream, fam. It's just not happening. Yeah, man. I go on while I'm meds to myself, you know. Yeah, fam, that happened. You ready?
Yeah, man.
Alright, my fault. Alright, take that, people.
You left me something over there.
Just bring it tomorrow. It makes sense. Me make she leave it because me feel more comfortable knowing that she have it just in case. But if she don't, if she change her mind or she get somebody else to deal with it, that the person can have it instead of me have it. That way, it don't seem like more take care or run with it or anything. Even though she know if you find me still, but.
I recommend it till I say.
Oh man. Alright. Not forward. Cobalt pack. Jump into Fortnite Battle Royale with a Cobalt pack. Includes 600 V-Bucks, the Cobalt Outfit Battle Royale only. Reinforced back bling Battle Royale only. V-Bucks are in game 20 hours. Alright, so $4 for that. And I currently have what just happened? Because I didn't. Oh, alright, yeah, what's up? Alright, I don't have the money. Broke. Alright, take that, people. Give a like, share, subscribe to the notifications to get notified. If you guys love videos, keep like, guys. See you guys in another video.